tend to live in a space isolated, a space that is mine, a space encompassed, the space that is my four walls, and it was comforting for me to stay in one place. But then it became suffocating, it became nerve-wracking, and I needed to breathe. Of things outside of ourselves, the things created around us and the things that grow and thrive. I went outside and wanted to be like the trees and the plants, the leaves, the grass. They all grow, free in their purpose to live. Of time. Seasons change and new leaves grow old. Day shifts to night, and contrary to my nature, I must keep going. Even if it feels like time is slipping away.